Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Lord Vishnu replied, Brahma, Lord Shiva and I are the supreme cause of the material manifestation. I am the supersoul, the self-sufficient witness. But impersonally there is no difference between Brahma, Lord Shiva and me. Lord Brahma was born out of the transcendental body of Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva was born out of the body of Brahma. Lord Vishnu, therefore, is the supreme cause. In the Vedas also it is stated that in the beginning there was only Vishnu, Narayan. There was no Brahma or Shiva. Similarly, Shankaracharya confirmed this. Narayana Para. Narayan, or Lord Vishnu, is the origin, and Brahma and Shiva are manifested after creation. Lord Vishnu is also Atmashvara, the supersoul in everyone. Under his direction, everything is prompted from within. For example, in the beginning of the Srimad Bhagwatam it is stated, 10 Brahma Hrida, he first educated Lord Brahma from within. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna states, Ahamadir hi Devanam, Lord Vishnu or Krishna is the origin of all demigods, including Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva. In another place in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna states, Aham Sarvashya Prabhava, everything is generated from me. This includes all the demigods. Similarly, in the Vedanta Sutra, Jammadi Asya Yata, and in the Upanishads is the statement, Yato Vayamani Bhutani Jayante, everything is generated from Lord Vishnu, everything is maintained by him, and everything is annihilated by his energy. Therefore, by their actions and reactions, the energies which come from him create the cosmic manifestations and also dissolve the whole creation. Thus the Lord is the cause and also the effect. Whatever effect we see is the interaction of his energy, and because the energy is generated from him, he is both cause and effect. Simultaneously, everything is different and the same. It is said that everything is Brahm, Sarvam Kalv Idam Brahma. In the highest vision, nothing is beyond Brahm, and therefore Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva are certainly non-different from him.